What's good, Rag Squad? Welcome back to another video, guys. So right now I'm about to go drop my car off for tints. We're about to do full windshield and pretty much everything around, so 360. If you notice in the back right here, we have it looks like it's tinted, but I mean it's just maybe 70% factory privacy glass. It's not really dark enough for me, and obviously the front doors are not tinted at all. So we better go drop the car off right now to get everything tinted. So follow me. All right, y'all, so we just made it to Tint World. They're about to tint the car like I just told y'all. All right, guys, they just took my car in to get it done. I'm not liking the way she driving my car right now, but yeah, I guess we'll see. So here at Tint World, guys, they do plenty of different stuff. You can see they do audio setups and stuff here. Tons of choices over here. Obviously paint correction, wraps, all that kind of stuff, pretty much, like you name it, they do it all here. They're pretty good though. So I've done my previous car, the Honda. I got it done here, so I kind of trust them, or I should say I kind of know they do quality work. So this is why I'm bringing the X3 here as well. They do headlights, installs, whatever kind of modifications you need to do to your car, like cosmetic wise, they do it here. They have like various wheel setups right here as well. They have these ones on display right here, and they do all kind of crazy stuff, man. They pretty good. So if you're in like Jacksonville area, North Carolina, guess you guys could check them out. So while we're just waiting here, waiting for my car to be done, check this out. This is pretty much their show car, their demo car. So if you want to know what a sound system sounds like, want to see what their lights look like, you know, whatever, pretty much whatever custom modifications they offer here, it will be on this car. And this wrap is sick. It really stands out. So basically the owner was explaining everything to me just now. They got Rohana wheels and everything ready for it. They're still in the build process pretty much, but it's pretty dope. So it's a GT, a 5.0 premium. It's got the GT 350 exhaust tips and diffuser on it, so it's gonna be pretty sick. Plus he just said it has a Roush stage 2 supercharger on it. Obviously it's inside right now, so he's not gonna start it up, but pretty sick. But yeah, that's just a few of the things they offer here. Wraps, like I said, there's some wraps up there, paint protection, and a bunch of stuff. But nice little lounge area though, so we're just waiting right here. It's pretty cool. All right, y'all, the car is done. Dang, check that out. This makes a hell of a difference. You can't tell me you don't see the big difference with the way the car looks. Obviously the windshield is not even as dark, and it's pretty overcasted right now, so that's probably the darkest you'll actually see it, just because there's no sunlight out, but it's not even that dark. Could get a slight hint inside, but all smeared up and foggy now because obviously it hasn't been completely dried out yet, but it doesn't look bad. I'm loving it. Inside, can still see through it. Ceramics, of course, pretty good. And the windshield, that is actually the view, even with an overcasted sky. That is 35 on the windshield, and then 15 on the sides, ceramics all the way around. You can just tell how much darker it is in here though with the tint. The ambient lighting is a lot brighter, and the back as well, and the panoramic roof is 20%. So it's gonna be really nice in here, especially in the summer. And that's pretty much how it looks. The back glass. And yeah, it's pretty good, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, he was complimenting the BMW guys. He likes it. But yeah, the back glass looks a little bit darker than the front. I'm guessing because the back glass already had the factory tint on it, the factory tinted glass. But yeah, it looks really good. Check out those tail lights, smoked effect, and then the tinted glass now. Pretty good, guys. Really solid. Really like it. Say what? I will. Guys, make sure you check him out. Tint Roll in Jacksonville. The address is... What's the address? I don't know. I forgot the address, guy. I'll put it in a description, but it's Tint Roll Jacksonville, and you can see they do ceramics, wraps, performance upgrades, audio, and pretty much all the stuff that I showed you guys inside. They do it all here. It's really good. Car is stunning, guys. Now I'm going to do my paint correction this weekend if the weather holds up, and do my ceramic coating as well, and it should turn out pretty good. That's Mike. Make sure you check him out. There's all the stuff they offer here, and here you go. That's their contact contact information. Pretty good. And the average cost, guys, of this tint that I just did, that was $400 actually. I know you might say that's actually a lot for tints. Believe me, it is, because I could have gotten this done far cheaper if I was back home in New York, but I don't have a choice. I'm not going to drive to New York just for tints when I'm all the way out here in North Carolina. So yeah, it's pretty good. Now we better black out the front grille as well, but stay tuned for that. That's a whole nother video. All right, y'all, so as soon as I woke up this morning, this was delivered at my door. Yeah, so pretty much I'm just adding this into the video from yesterday because this just showed up. So it means that the car could now get ceramic coating. This is the Avalon King Ceramic products. So we're going to do an unboxing real quick. This is the Armor Shield 9. It's a nano ceramic coating for the car. And I'm going to open it real quick just to show you what the product pretty much looks like. So it comes in this really nice box, nice packaging, and this is the actual bottle itself. That's the ceramic coating. So this is a 30 mil. I got 2 of them because I'm not sure how much it's gonna actually take to do the X3. So that's glass, paint, and the wheels. So I just got 2 of them just to be safe. And in the bottom of it, it has like a little card pretty much, and this soft microfiber towel. There's also a pair of gloves that you're gonna need. This is essential right here. Make sure you have gloves if you're ever dealing with stuff like this, because once this pretty much dries, it forms like a crystalline, like a glassy kind of particles, and those will harm your skin if it comes in contact with it directly. So don't let it get close to your skin, and use gloves. There's also this it's like a felt microfiber towel which goes on this block right here. This is the applicator block. You're gonna open this, I'm guessing, and then stuck this on it to apply the ceramic coating onto the car. And that's it for that. Inside here we have more products. This is the IPA prep spray. So it's pretty much like an alcoholic isopropyl content. This you use after you say you clear the car, you polish the car, and to remove all the grease and grimes and stuff, you use this. So yeah, it's an IPA prep spray. This is a 16-ounce bottle. Nice packaging, actually. And it also comes with like a cap so you can like spray it out, and this spray attachment so you can put on the bottle right here. Sorry. Just put it in the bottle and then just spray it. And we have another Armor Shield 9 ceramic coating. Like I said, I got 2 just to be safe. That way I have enough to do the entire X3. And I also got these microfiber towels. These are buffing towels, so I could buff the ceramic coating off when I do it today. They're pretty plush, actually. Yeah, really soft. And based on my understanding, when you use these microfiber towels to say buff off a ceramic coating after you apply it to the car, make sure you throw them out because they cannot be reused. If you do, it's gonna damage your paint, like to scratch it, because the contents of this is gonna, like I say, turn glass and it's gonna harden. So this won't be no more good. And lastly, inside here we have another spray cover, and this is our SiO2 boost spray. This is probably the product that I'm most excited about because I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Pan the Organizer. He's a very famous, very good car detailer. He's been in business for roughly maybe 10-20 years, but I don't know. But I've been watching him forever now, and he's really good. He just recommended this. He tried it, and I also use his promotion code in the link of his bio, or in his description, I should say, one who used his YouTube videos. And I think that code is PAN25. I'm not sure, but make sure you guys check it out. I'll also put a link in the description. That way you guys can get 25% off your order. But he just tested this, and apparently this is really good. It's like a 20% infused graphene, pretty much, or ceramic content, which is, according to him, a really big number when it comes to ceramic coatings and stuff like that, graphene content. So this is probably the product that I'm most excited about. This we're going to use after we do the ceramic coating, and then we wash the car after that. Maybe a week, or two later, you apply this. It's like a boost spray, obviously, for the ceramic coating. So this will obviously boost your shine and preserve the longevity of the Armor Shield 9. So those two pretty much work together. It's like this is the coating itself, and then this is like a graphene content, SiO2 infused, which you use to pretty much boost the content over time and maintain this, keep your car in the best shape. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm excited. I'm about to go ceramic coat the car, and yeah. Sorry, Rock Squad. I don't know if you guys will tell right now, but it's for like 2000, just 8 o'clock. But car just got ceramic coated. Pretty much everything is ceramic coated except the wheels. Didn't do those because time was just running out. I've been out here since maybe 12 o'clock this morning. It's obviously took about 10 or 12 hours to get this done. So yeah, that's how the car looks. Paint's pristine right now. Windows are ceramic coated as well, and the paint's amazing. Like, there's the polish and the clay bar and everything. The car looks really good. You go to the Tints, and like I said, everything is ceramic coated from back to front, roof and all. Everything is pretty much ceramic coated. Say it did take a lot of time though. It's really time consuming, and obviously, like I showed you guys earlier, I used the Avalon King Ceramic Coating. It do take a lot of time. It's really time consuming, but in the end, it's worth it. The car is clean. It's amazing right now. Loving it. Love the way it turned out. However, I would not do this again. I don't think I'll ever do it again by myself. I'll probably just honestly have a detailer do it if I need to reapply the ceramic coating again. But as of right now, it's really good. I just wanted to show y'all a little clip after getting the car ceramic coated last night, putting the SiO2 boost spray on there, and pretty much after cleaning up all the dirt and grime and all the dirty water from the tints and stuff. Yeah, so I pretty much washed the car last night after obviously 13 hours of detailing and stuff like that. But the car is pristine. Like, it's so clean, probably the cleanest it's ever been, and probably possibly ever will be. But it's really clean right now. Like, I'm not sure if you guys could tell the depth of like how the paint's like popping, but the paint is like perfect. It's perfect. But yeah, that's that's how it looks right now. Really clean. The paint's shiny. Everything is like all slick and all because of the ceramic coating, so everything is pretty much slick to the touch. Yeah, I would definitely recommend ceramic coating, guys. If you have your car, especially if it's brand new and you haven't done ceramic coating yet, then you're really robbing yourself of not only the beauty of the car and your paint, but just the longevity of it. Like, you know how much better it is to clean the car after doing the ceramic coating. Obviously the sky looks overcast like it's been for weeks now. It's been raining every day or every other day, so I'm assuming rain is probably going to fall here within the next couple of days. But at least the car is already ceramic coated, it's already healed, or at least cured. They said 48 hours. I mean, it's only been 24, but the car is fine. It's fantastic. Everything looks dry, everything feels dry, and yeah, that's how it looks. The insides, I ceramic coated some things as well, not everything. Like the center console area, I did ceramic coating on that as well, and pretty much clean up the entire interior. It's really nice. And again, that's how the tints look from inside. Ceramic, it doesn't, like I said, I'm not sure everybody gets the whole idea that ceramics doesn't you know, like it changes the way the tint looks. Yes, but it doesn't necessarily mean that the tint is fully clear from the insides, but that's how it looks from the inside. Also the windshield, completely clear. Even on a day like today where it's so bleaky, yeah, it's still crystal clear. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a walk around just to show you guys what it looks like after everything has been done. All right, y'all, so that's it for the video. Make sure you comment, like, and share the video. Make sure you also subscribe for more to see what else we're gonna do to the car. And obviously, if you're a returning subscriber, appreciate you. Thanks for subscribing, and God bless. Peace.